Hi everyone, my name is Nilesh and welcome to our HTML beginning series. This is the part 4. So today we will discuss about some text tag. So we will go to the Visual Studio. Here I prepare already the all the tags. So I have the one image. So we will go to that image and understand which tag we are written first, and then we will go to the practical. So in the text we have the B tag. So if you want to highlight some information in bold, then we use the bold tag. Then we have a strong tag. It is similar to bold, but it highlights the key text. Then we have an italic tag, which is used to apply the italic style. Then we have a in tag, usually used as an image caption. Then we have a mark. It is used to highlight the background of the text. Basically, it highlights the yellow color in background. Then we have a small. If you want to make your text small, then we use the small. Then we have a U tag. So this U tag which used to underline the text. Then we have a ins tag, which is the display with an underline to show an inserted text. Then we have a sub, which is the script text typographical stylistic choice. Then we have a sub, which are also same as the subscript text. So we will go to the Visual Studio Code and do this practically. So here I already written this. So this p tag we are used to write any paragraph. Means in your web page you want to show any paragraph, then we use the paragraph tag. So now the being I will comment out this. Here I will open a new paragraph tag. So these are the paragraph tag. So I will go to the one website and copy the random paragraph like sample paragraph. So I will copy this and we add paragraph in inside this p tag. So here I'm writing this. Now I will save this. My program is already in running mode, so I just go to the browser and refresh. So if you see, whole paragraph is a display. Now, if you want to break this here, means when the paragraph is come here, then you want to come this line in the next line. For that, we use the br tag. So now I'll go to that particular text where we want to break. So here we simply write br tag, and we can close br tag itself. Now I will go to the browser and refresh. See that line is go to next line. Now we have the bold tag. So I want to bold these rights. So I used a bold tag. To write bold tag, we use b tag, and inside this bold is b tag. We write text which you want to show bold. So I will write the bold tag, and inside the I will write this text. So I will save this and go to browser and refresh. See, it's showing in the bold. Now we have the strong. So for this sharp distinction, I will make a strong. I will make this strong. We will open the strong tag, and inside that we write the text if you want to make the key highlighted, and close the strong tag. So I will save and go to browser and refresh. It's showing the highlighted. Now we have a I tag, which is the italic tag. Now I will break here. Just press the enter and go to next line. It is easy to write, means use the other tag. So the output will be shows same because we not use a br tag. If you use br tag, then it go to next line. So we use the italic tag. So for this paper can be strong, I will use the italic tag. And inside this italic tag, I will write paper can be strong. This text I will written in this italic tag. I will save this and refresh the page. See, the paper can be strong showing in the italic tag. Now we have the em tag. So for this week in the order, I will make as a em tag. So I will close this em tag here. See, week in the weather. It seems it is a similar to italic tag, but the difference is we can use this em tags to usually use it as an image caption. Means image caption we use this em tag. Then we have a mark tag. So let's do and do practice for em. Sorry, mark tag. So here the focusing on the organization, I want to make the mark tag. Means in highlighted, I want this text I wanted to highlight this much. So I will go and use the mark tag. So inside the my mark tag, I used means I write a text focus on organization. So I will go to the browser. So these are the text focus on organization. So I just simply refresh. See, it highlighted. The background color of the text is changed and it's showing in yellow. So now we have the small tag. Small tag are used to make the text smaller. So for this style to this after writing I want to make this text in a smaller in size. So for that we use the small tag. So here we use the small tag. So open the small tag and after writing I will close that. I will go to the browser and refresh. See, for this style to writing it appearing in the smaller in the size. Then we have a underline tag. So here I want to make this professional as an underline text. So for that we use the underline tag. If you go in browser and which text we will make, yeah, this professional. So I will refresh. See, the text is changed as underline. Then we have a inserted text. So we use the ins keyword, ins keyword. So for this I want to use that tag. So I will use ns and the close tag, and inside this tag I will write this text. I will save and go to the browser. For this text we used that tag. So I will refresh. See, the text is changed as display with the underline to show inserted text. Means it's showing the this is the inserted text. Now we have the sub tag subscripted text. So go and we can use this. So stop Subtag I will use like this. Here I will write like I will create new paragraph tag. Inside this I will use two, and after that I will use this subtag, and inside I will write 3. So I will go to the browser and refresh. See, means this is the subtag, means like a subscript text. Then we have a superscript text. So I will go and I will create a new paragraph tag, and inside that I will write 2. We use the sub, means superscript, and here we will use the 3. So I will go and refresh. See, it's showing 2 square 3, just like, means it is not square, but just like it's showing the text. For this purpose we use the these two to showing like this. We use that two tags. So today we will discuss about the paragraph and some of the text related text. Thank you for watching. We will continue more topic in our upcoming videos.